And I'm sure the security company would have all these records. So.
Yeah.
So is that one of your complaints also? Is that they came into your house? Is that
They came into my house, and
what day was that?
in May. I can't remember.
Okay.
I'm sure the sheriff's department has all that information.
So was it the sheriff's department that came in, or was it the police department that came
Sheriff's department.
Okay. And they
Because
were there
I got there to the foreclosure on my house.
Allegedly a foreclosure.
Allegedly foreclosure, because they haven't proven.
You didn't get any paperwork from them or anything about the...
Well, see...
That's the problem, is they give you paperwork, but they don't...
You want to talk about this? Okay.
They never gave me my blue ink or my wedding signature to show that they have the authority to take my property.
Okay, so and that's in reference to a foreclosure, right?
Yes.
That's
right.
And
I've asked them for that, and they have not, and that's what these questions are right here. These are the questions that we asked the sheriff.
Okay.
Well, see, we went to the sheriff's department to see if he was willing to put it in writing under penalties of perjury that he had followed all the procedures in the foreclosure, and that the bank had followed all the procedures in the foreclosure, and that the bank had a copy, well, he or the bank had a copy of the note, the blue ink signature of the note, because without the note and without a proper assignment of chain of assignment,
therefore not valid.
That's right. They have no authority to foreclose or file a suit against him. See? So that's what we're asking the sheriff's department on the 31st. We come back there today. Boy, no one wants to talk to us at the sheriff's department. The sheriff's gone, the chief deputy's gone, all of a sudden this deputy, what was his name again? It's lieutenant's whatever, I don't remember what his name is.
Spoke to today over at Stern
Yeah,
County?
yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Let me take that.
What was his name? You said you don't know, or?
Well, I think, where's that list of all the deputies? We could find it real quick. Anyhow, they have a record of it, so
Okay.
it's not really...
Just making it for ours.
Right, that's fine. That's fine.
Starts with a D and ends with an F.
4 minutes to closing, gentlemen.
Yeah.
Well,
So anyhow,
so did
Yeah.
you get Dave's complaint hold? Get his whole thing down?
I got records here.
Okay. Okay, so Terry, any other complaints? I think we've got...
well, see, the thing is, again, we demanded answers to whether this guy was running around officially or not,
right.
and we didn't get any answers.
Right.
Alrighty? So then, today we go to the recorder's office.
Okay, so
And-
is this your last one?
Could easily be. But this is kind of just to put a final note on the deal.
Okay.
Alrighty? Oh, and while you're waiting, you could give me a case number, too.
Did you make one up yet?
No, not yet.
Hang on.
Okay. So anyhow, if you write on a piece of paper for me, too, I appreciate that. So anyhow,
Yep.
we go to the sheriff's department,
Recorder's office.
recorder's office. Oh yeah, that's right. And again, demand this, and we explain to him about nonfeasance and misconduct of a public official. And all of a sudden, now they decide that they're going to pay attention to us.
Today.
Today.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Well,
we
that's a good thing, right?
well, of course it is.
Yeah.
But see, that lieutenant that I was talking to, he wasn't very happy when
John Lenz?
No.
Different one.
Different one.
Okay.
Lieutenants we were talking to, dollars or something like that, or
Okay.
Dulles or Dulles.
whatever it is.
Okay.
He's on our list here. We got him here somewhere. I just don't remember what it is.
Okay.
I'm trying to rush through this in record time, so you can't expect me to remember all the details, and you're just going to ignore it anyhow. So, but anyhow,
I don't appreciate
yeah.
that, sir.
Anyhow, well, that's what Officer Dosdell did right before we proved that she was going to ignore it. Anyhow, so if you just let me finish my story. So then, after sitting there for about a half hour, the county auditor decides she's going to come out and talk rude to us and explain to us that, oh, well, we never had these records, this oath of office in our records to start with because the county commissioners never gave them to us. So you need to go over to the county commissioner's office and talk to them. So, of course, we go over there, and he says, well, I don't know what the hell you're talking about. I said, so the county recorder says that you're a liar then, right? Or she's a liar. Which one is it? So now we had him there. So, because I said, well, this is easily settled. We just go over to the county recorder's office, and you can explain it to her, and, you can hash it out between the two of you. I said, but if nothing else, we'll just go back over there and, sit down there again and do the same thing, over and over and over again. Just go back and forth, back and forth. Well, then he finally decides to go through his records there, and he comes up with some cock and bull story that, Well, really, the deputies are hired by the county commissioners. They aren't really hired by the sheriff. So they don't really need to have an oath of office there. See? So, and of course they couldn't show us the statute that's setting any of this either, because we had the statute that specifically says it's supposed to be filed in the recorder's office.
It does.
See? And the thing is, so then we went back over to the recorder's office and we were trying to get her to explain why she'd be calling the cops on us if that's all she had to do the very first time. But for some strange reason, she was in a conference and she couldn't come out and explain it to us in person. Alrighty?
So you don't have a criminal complaint for today, then really you're just kind of finishing it up and telling it to us?
If you want to go to lionnews00.blogspot,
I love the shirt.
You want to see the back of it? You can get a picture of the back of it too. Got it?
That's a personal phone, isn't it?
Yeah, that's no problem. If you go to lionnews00.blogspot.com, you see all sorts of pictures of me up there. So.
All right.
Okay. I'm not trying to rush you, but this poor girl has been working all day, and it is.
Yeah, well, we've been working at this hard all day too.
Well,
So
she's
yeah,
not like a-
yeah. Well, as long as I have my case number, that's all I need.
case number.
See, so I'm happy. I got my video.
And
And,
we will attach all of the things that you gave us as documentation
Good, I'm happy.
to your matter of information report.
Yeah, my criminal complaint there. Good. Okay.
Good enough. Do you have anything else we can do for you today there?
And a
Terry?
lot of what we said is
In here. I was reading some
well,
of that.
no,
Yep,
not
yep.
in there, but I mean on his website.
Yep, it's all on my website.
Okay.
Which, of course, the Douglas County or the Stearns County officials were scanning like crazy. So.
Yeah,
Okay.
but a lot of what we're talking about are
That one, right?
Yep.
Yep.
lionnews00.blogspot.com.
Got it.
Yep.
Okay.
And Arrested Judge Kit, you got that down for my YouTubes? Because I have YouTubes of all these different situations. Of course, this is going to be up there too. So
Great.
I'm sure it is.
there you go. Of course it will be.
Hey, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Hello, sir.